Okay, today we're working on building a 6-foot sheet metal brake, and I'm using pretty much all recycled materials, stuff we had on hand from other projects. And what I'm using on top for my hold down piece is a piece of 3x3 angle iron, and that's 7/16 inch thick, and that goes down to a base plate that is also 7/16 inch thick and about 5 inches wide. And I'm gonna clamp my material down by using a bolt. I have to put a bigger one in here, but I've just got this temporary, and I've put a spring underneath there, so when I clamp my material down and when I'm done and I release it, this will lift back up and release the material holding this up so it don't scratch it. And this plate will get mounted right to my bench. I have a 6-foot bench I'm mounting this to. And then I have my hinges made. I just used some steel tubing we had on hand, and I found a rod that fit inside there. I tack welded it in on the ends, and so the center is free to swivel. So that'll be my hinge. The two ends will get welded to one side, and the center will get welded on the hinge part here. And I just used steel tubing. And this will be the part that moves. This is I built a handle on it, and that's 7/16 by 5 plate. And I also put a 1-inch square tube on the top edge of it, and that'll butt up against this. So when I'm making my bends, this will give me a little more edge to fold my material over. So when I get to a 90, and when I want to do a hemmed edge like we do on these door panels, that's a hemmed edge. This will let me get more of a 45 on it, and then I can take it out and finish pinching the edge down. So I'm kind of looking forward to getting it put together. I guess the next thing I got to get done is to get my hinges figured out so I can get them welded correctly. And once I have that done, I can put it on the bench and attach it down, and then we'll get it cleaned up and get some paint on it. But I just bought some little springs I bought at our Fleet Farm. They're just 1-inch by 3-inch, and they have enough pressure to lift this channel, which is pretty heavy. This angle iron is pretty heavy, but I think it'll work good. We got Cody the Wonder Dog supervising the project. So I'll make another little video when I get the hinges on and get it on the bench, and we'll try it out.